Hello everyone, this is FS Kenny Trade and my name is Kennedy. On this video, I will be exposing my strategy on how I trade on gold. Yeah, this is Forex Global Financial Market, the largest market in the world. Yes, as for me, as a trader, I specifically trade gold only because I love things that moves, things that is moving, that's very active. So that's why I decided to choose gold as my inch. So as a trader, what you need to understand is the trend. My mentor used to tell me that the trend is your friend, so you don't trade against the trend. So if you can detect your trend, you are good to go. That means you'll be making massive profits. So what I want to show you in here is the basic way, the most easiest way to understand the trend and the most easiest way to trade to make a good result. So this is my strategy. I hope it worked for you too. So what you need to understand is that as a trader, you have to analyze the market from past week, like what has been happening, because we are tends to trade based on the previous market price. So no one can easily detect what is likely to happen in the next couple of 30 minutes, 10 minutes. You can't even say that, but because of the previous market price, you can easily detect or predict what is likely to happen. So as a trader, what you need to do, analyze your markets, analyze your chart during the week. So what I normally do, because this is my strategy anyway, what I normally do is every Friday, when the market, today is Friday, right? I open my good chart, analyze what is likely to happen, what has happened, and what do I think that is likely to happen. So what I do, like last week, this is what I did. Let me turn my screen a little bit so I can carry you guys along with the profit. January 25, last week, this is the spot here on Friday 25. Come on, where is 25 date? Oh, come on. Okay, this is it. This is the point here. That is when the market started. So what are those things that I'm looking at? What are those things to make me to get the exact confirmation that I needed before I kick? So what I do is to detect the highs, all the breakout zones, So I had one here. I spotted it out here. I said, okay, fine. This is one. What is likely to happen? Is it going to go up? Because before the market closes, look at where it ended. This spot, it ended here. Then they went, later retraced, they went up this way, and before they know, they closed down. And when the market opened, they were somewhere here. I said, okay, now I have one height here. So I'm now looking for the three heights, because I actually need three heights to confirm every move I want to do. So what are those heights? I'm looking for either the higher highs or the lower low for me to understand the market trend, the direction of the market. And as I spot out this one, I wait patiently. Okay, Kenny, what is going on, man? I spot out another one. It happened here again. I said, okay, these people, it look as if they want to sell. The final one, this one here, oh, massive. If you can agree with me here, the market sold. It was on a lower low. That means the zone here is lower than here, and the one here is lower than this one here, which means the market is actually doing what? Is selling. So I, I I figured this out, then I draw my trading line. These are my trading line here. This is my trading line here. This one here. This is my trading line. Then when I draw it, I say, okay, what is likely to happen? I am now waiting for the pullbacks. Pullbacks, whenever market is selling. For instance, if it's coming down like this, it will go up, it will come down, it will go up, it will come down. So once it go up here, what I do, I just set my pending order, sell limit, so pick me up, boom, brrr, they will just go down, hit my TP. Next one again, sell limit, pick me, hit my TP, pick me. That is how we have been doing from Monday, and the market sold up to this point, down here. Then yesterday night, the market then retraced up. It went up this way. Let me take off this thing, okay? The market went up this way. I say, okay, these people, they want to change trend now, because they were doing downtrend from Monday to Friday. So which means they are likely to want to change the trend, maybe to an uptrend. I say, okay, today is Friday. I'm actually using this video to analyze the market, as at the same time sharing my strategy here. I've detected one zone here, which is this one here, and there's another one here again, that is two confirmation. Then I'm hoping to see another one here before Monday, or on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. That means this will now give me a clear confirmation that this is an uptrend. Already I've drawn my trading lines here. This is my one of my trading lines bar here. I've drawn another one here, and this is my resistance. This is my support zone here. This is my support zone here, and this is my resistance zone here. And it broke out the resistance zone a little bit to this point, and it came down again, which means if I should set a pending order, or if I should enter a trade and the market is likely to go up, that means it will retrace and go back to the normal direction. So now I don't want to take that risk, because I'm still analyzing the market. So what I'm now hoping, that the market will now retrace, we come down a little, and let me take this off my screen, and move up this way. Then that will be my third confirmation. Already I have one here that is cleared. I have another one. Then I'm looking for another one. By then, I could have the another breakout, because look at, I have my different on different time frames. I do have my support and resistance zone along with them. As you can see here, this is my support zone here. This green one here. Take this off. Okay, this is my support zone here. This is another this is the resistance here. This is another resistance here. This is another support here, sorry. This is another resistance up here. So if you watch closely beneath my resistance zone, the market has ranged. It has ranged so far that I have assumed that, oh, this is not even coming down again, which means if it continue coming down this way, which means the market is still selling, that means it will continue obeying my trending line, which is downtrend. But he did not. Instead, he went up to resist my support. Then he now went up this way. He went up this way to make out a zone here, which is the one I get confirmation. He went down again, went up again, do another one again. Then it's likely to do the same thing and go back. Then that is now a cleared confirmation that this is an uptrend. So it's as easy as this. There's not um too much ideology, or no, this is just normal way of understanding. Just understand your trend, know your resistance point, know your support zones and everything. If you can figure out all these things, trading gold is the most easiest. In fact, for me, gold is the most easiest chart to trade. I don't know why people run away from gold because they say it's too high, it's too volatile, it's too. I understand that very well, but for me, I love trading gold because it makes me happy. So if you have much fund on your account, you can always go for gold. Yeah, because but if you don't have much fun, please don't near gold. Though. You can just under 5 minutes, your money is gone. But that is just it. So this is just a tip of how I do trade on gold. I hope this strategy will help you to do that, to enlighten your trading career. So the first thing you need to do, let me review things to you. Know your zones, know your zones, the support, know your zones, know your zones. If you know your zones, you are good to go. For me here, this is my zones here. It's my zone here, my zone here. If I should let me excuse me. Let me pull this to 1 hour chart. Perfect. As you can see, this is power 1 hour chart. Of every zones here, I have my my lines drawn on them, which means I'm monitoring every aspect of the market. If the market is going to come this way, my zone is already here. This is a breakout zone here, which I've drawn my support or resistance, but we don't know what to call it yet. But for now, I assume is my resistance because this one here will likely to be my support and it will be my resistance. But by the time it breaks out, then it becomes my support and this will become my resistance. So here will become my support and here will become my resistance. So in every zones I do have my lines on them. I have lines, I've drawn my breakout zones lines in every time frame. So whichever which way that the market is going, I'm likely to follow it up based on my strategy. Know your zones, follow your trend, use your trading line, and use your Fibonacci retracement lines. Those the three things I use to trade: my moving average lines, my support and resistance zone, and the Fibonacci retracement line. So, on my next video, I will be telling us more on the Fibonacci retracement, how I use it to do, because basically I'm using my Fibonacci retracement line for my outstanding order, my sorry on my my pending orders. So I use this Fibonacci retracement, this blue line here. Let me change it to 15. This blue line here, these are my Fibonacci retracement line. I use it to, this is it here. There's another one here. There's another one here. If I should put down a little bit, sorry about that. Put it to 5 minutes time frame. There's another one here. So this these are some of the tools that I use. Basically I trade with my phone. I don't really have time trading with my system around because I believe I can make money anywhere I can access the market anytime, any day, and make more money. This is FS Kenny Trade, and my name is Kennedy. Thanks for watching this video. On my next video, I will be showing you how to um put the Fibonacci retracement on your smartphone, and how to draw your support and resistance zones, and how to detect them all and make a good use of them. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is FS Kenny. Peace out.